What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another review video. I have this small box here. I'm super excited. I was a little overly excited, so I opened the box and drove it around to test it for you guys. We have this 132 mini RC off-road vehicle. It's the Virhuck, I think that's what it's called, Future Connected. It's a little tiny guy over here. Let me focus the camera and see if you guys can see it. It's like a little tiny guy. We have this 132 scale truck. My first 132 scale was the Losi Micro T, so that's been a while. I think I was about like 15 years old when I had it, and it was a blast. That thing was super fun, you know, super tough, super fast too. So hopefully this is a little fast, but you know, this is 8 and up. The Losi compared to the Losi, it's more of a hobby grade, I say. This is more of a toy. But yeah, let's open up the box right here. Opening up the box. Hopefully I have it. Nope, I don't. It's this way. So yeah. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is the little truck itself. This is the little guy. It's a 132 scale RC truggy. Right here it says 2.4 gigahertz Virhuck. I think that's the name of it. Cracker little truck. It's a pretty cool truck. The only thing that, you know, I would say would be cooler if they made the steering, you know, proportional. You know, right here you have a little steering dial right here. Let me try and focus for you guys. You have a little steering trim down here, which, you know, kind of sometimes, you know, you can see the tires right here. It's not really sturdy. It's kind of flimsy. And that's another thing. Like, the steering is my only complaint. Like, the speed is super fast, super fun to rip around the house, do jumps and stuff, especially in occasions and weathers when it's like, you know, cold outside or raining and you can't really go outside. This is a super fun RC toy, but then again, I can't really complain much because it only cost me about 20 bucks off of Amazon. I checked GearBest, it's about $18. On Wish, it's about 17 with not including shipping. So it's about 20 bucks, take it or leave it. Another thing I don't really like about this truck is this transmitter. You know, it's a small transmitter to begin with, and it's like a little clicker transmitter. And my issue with the transmitter is when you turn it off. So if I flick this switch, let me focus here for you guys. You can see the on and off switch. You can see the on and off. So when I flick the switch off, sometimes it doesn't, like that, see? Sometimes it doesn't connect, like it doesn't turn it off. It keeps blinking, and I've drained all my batteries like that. So I have to really flick it hard. No, not even. I have to keep fidgeting with it before it could really turn off. So, man, wow. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Weird. Okay, wow, it doesn't really doesn't want to turn off. But yeah, that's one complaint I have about the transmitter. I get that it's a cheap RC car for kids, for like a little fun, super small toy, but I had to take out the batteries to save my battery because it just keeps flickering like this, and it like I really have to dig my nails in there to turn it off, but right now it doesn't. Right, finally got it right. Wow, so see, that's my complaint about the transmitter and about the steering of the car. But for the rest, there's nothing else that I want to complain about. Obviously you get a charger right here that you can plug in your PC and your car to charge. It takes about 30 minutes, I believe, to charge. And yeah, that's all that comes in the box, and also comes a little bag right here filled with body pins. Now, I only got one in my bag, so I don't know if that's the standard. Usually you would get 2 or 4, but this card only takes 2, so I only got one in mine. So yeah, you know, it's a nice little truck. Let me take off the body pins to show you guys right here. You have one in the back that you just lift off, and then you have another one in the front right here that you just pop off. I like them because they're unique. I've never seen this style of body clips or whatever before, and they're pretty strong. So it's a nice body for the price. This is the truck. You plug it in right here to charge it. There's a little red indicator right here when you turn the car on. The antenna, like spring shocks, whatever. It's not bad. It's not bad for indoor. It's a powerful little guy too. And then you have your on and off switch right here. Turn it on. Your lights stay solid, and then you turn your receiver on, and then you're ready to go. You got your forward That's full throttle. You got your brake. You don't really have much of a brake, so it's like full throttle forward, brake, and then you have reverse. But it's a powerful and strong little guy for the price. And yeah, it's a fun little toy to just jump off and cruise around with the house. My only complaint about this is the transmitter that, you know, I really have to flick it hard. That time it worked to turn it off. One thing I would recommend is if you're driving this on carpet to, you know, make sure your carpet is clean. I was at my friend's house a couple of weeks ago. We were driving around and I found like a piece of string in my gear right here in my little axle. I think that's what it's called. My little rear tires back here. Obviously this is a two-wheel drive too. And yeah, it's a little fun RC car for the price. I'm gonna cut out, I'm gonna show you guys a little video of it. We have the Xbox 112 scale from GPL Toys, Xbox 911, and this is the little guy. So if you compare it right next to it, it's a really small truck. You know, this was a little easy to just throw around in my backpack. I couldn't bring a 1/10 scale, so you know, that's the comparison side by side. Look how small it fits. Practically fits on the back of the GP Toys. So it's a little small RC truck, but awesome and fun for bashing, or just driving around the office and having a good time. Honestly, if you look at it, it's about the same size, or kind of the same size as one of these tires. Like a little bit bigger, but one of the Fox's tires is about the same size as this little guy. So hopefully you guys do like this little RC truck right here. I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can find it. It's a pretty awesome truck. The only complaint that I have is the steering and the remote, the transmitter clicking and the transmitter not turning off. Maybe I just got a bad transmitter, but those are my only complaints about this little truck. It's a fun RC truck to just drive around the house and jump over stuff and not break anything or worry about this breaking, because it's only 20 bucks. So you know, it's a little fun RC toy. Maybe, you know, you can get that for a gift for someone. That's really cool. I would definitely enjoy it if I got that as a gift. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can find this product. And if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up down in the description below. Leave a comment of what you want me to review next time. And I will see you guys next time I upload. Peace.